I know, say, up on the internet I made Skillibeng Piana song. I'm really like all the song sound and all the beat put together. You know, them style. So, one fi kind of, what you call this, construct your way so you have a better understanding of how the beat sound, how it make and what make me like it. So, one fi share this video. So, I could jump over in FL Studio now and cook up the beat. Now we are back in FL Studio. Really and truly, the beat is really complex. So I just show you the bass. So the piano chord progression we're going to use to make realistic playing style with associate with the beat. I'm going to pull up that grand piano here. I think the beat 114 so forth. So we'll put it by 114.1. It's in E flat major, I think. Yeah, so. Alright, so me finish up the beat. So now we just will break down the rest side, you know, so you can see how we really construct this. Bear in mind, I'm not trying to recreate the original, just to let you see the idea behind beats like these that are the sings and is trendy. So with the bass layout of it, I chopped a lot of chords, overlapped some of them, play it at a low velocity, and pretty much that's just it. So you have to imagine like someone playing the keys. So I have to do a lot of chopping throughout this beat. I'm not certain if I heard about everything in the song as is, but I try to get it as close as possible to get that feeling that you hear in the song. So this is what the first piano sound like. I layered it with classic piano, and this is what it sounds like as is. This sound doesn't has a lot of reverb on it like the dark piano, so I just use this to kind of thicken up the dark piano, because the dark piano, it is thin though it sounds bright. This one is not bright, but it's a little bit thicker. So it's just the best of both worlds. I blend it together to get that unique sound. For the next sound in the beat, it's a tubular bell. The one that I have sound like, I'm not trying to replicate the beat. Some bass also. Just playing back what I think I heard in the actual song. Most of the sounds are actually low except the drum sound. The rest of sound is buried beneath the vocal. So, you know, I'm just giving back an idea of what I think I heard in the song. I added some additional orchestral voice in it. I added a basic R and a basic U. This is what the R sounds like. This is what ooh sounds like. I also added some sustained strings. I practically copied the notes from the R sound and pasted it in here, in which I duplicated and shifted down an octave also. And this is the sound that I've gotten with the strings. I added some kick. Some percussion sounds, some snares, just to flavor it up a little bit. In the beat, I didn't hear any bright snares as how I heard in the second section of the beat. So I also added some accented snares. I added some more percussions. And everything in context, this is what the beat actually sounds like. Finish cook up the beat, tell me how it sound. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification button, follow me on our social media. You know, if you have any other thing to say, just leave it in the comment below. It's about Eldorado with our next beat tutorial video. Peace out.